Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today I've got some very bad news for you guys. For those of you who are eagerly waiting for the Galaxy S8 Android 8.0 update, unfortunately the update has just been halted. Actually, I just got my update yesterday. If you don't know, check out my video, link in the description to my video, or you can click on the card somewhere there. Yeah, I just updated my S8 to the Oreo update, and I'm now using it, but after seeing this news, I'm like, whoa. This is very major. I mean, they are stopping the S8's Oreo update, which means there could be some bugs in this update. So yeah, uh, I'm using my S8 now, and so far I didn't encounter any weird bugs. But I noticed my S8's battery life isn't that great, so that could be one reason why they're just halting it. Maybe there could be a bug in this firmware. As you can see, the firmware name is called Crab, and I hope it wasn't crap, but then in the end it turned out to be crap. So yeah, anyway guys, so that's pretty much it actually. Just to inform you guys that the S8 Oreo update has been halted, but we don't know until when it will be halted, so even more delays for you guys who are waiting for the update eagerly. I mean, wow, I can't believe it is halted. I mean, I thought it would just be bug free or something, but it seems that, damn, Oreo update is even delayed. So pretty damn sad for those of you guys who are waiting. Anyway guys, so that's pretty much it. These I'll put the link in the description to the source links. Pocket now as well, I'll put in the link in the description for you guys to read. And that's pretty much it guys, so thank you much for watching. Stay tuned for more updates regarding the S8. I'll be obviously updating anything change. If there's anything that changed, I'll be updating in this video, so don't forget to come back to this video for more updates. Anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.